We all have something we know how to do, and all of us could start making money online off of it right now. But what if you just don't know how to sell or don't have the time to do it? Maybe you're new to online marketing, and you just want to focus on getting paid for what you already know how to do. We know how it feels to launch a marketing campaign. Landing pages, email automation, Facebook ads, shopping carts, webinars, SEO, PPC. There's so much to do. What if there was a ready-made solution that can actually turn your money-making ideas into a revenue stream for your business? A marketing machine that does the job for you. Introducing AutoFunnel. Sales funnels to sell your products and skills. Lead funnels to grow and nurture your audience. Webinar funnels to share and monetize your expertise. It's integrated, automated, and easy to use, so you can focus on running your business. Simple building blocks in an intuitive funnel wizard. Conversion-optimized pre-designed scenarios for your industry. Results and earnings calculated for you, and no laborious integrations or setup times. It's all there. Inside a funnel, you get emails, landing pages, marketing automation, webinars, exit pop-ups, Facebook ads, stores and products, e-commerce integrations, and payment gateways, all within one seamless marketing machine. How does it work? Customize professionally designed and pre-written high-converting sign-up pages in an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Forms and exit intent pop-ups are already there too. Automatically send follow-up emails that welcome your contacts and promote your offers. Showcase your products and services on sales and order pages. Integrate with a payment gateway and sell right in your landing page. Win back those customers who abandon their order with perfectly timed automated emails you don't even have to set up. Create and set up Facebook ads to get traffic. Push, play, sit back, and watch your revenue, acquisition, and engagement metrics skyrocket. Just fill in the elements with your content, and the funnel will keep working for you while you keep doing your own thing.